Established in 1959 with its head office in Indore, Girdhari Lal and Sons (GLS) is India's premier event infrastructure and airline management company with Pan-India network. Tent cities or tented accommodation is our legacy, which has aided innumerable visitors seeking accommodation in big religious events, conferences and exhibitions. Till date, there hasn't been anyone who has attempted to create these larger-than-life tent cities anywhere in India.
We have done tent city projects in Karnataka, Patna Sahib, Prayagraj, and now the CM had invited us to create a tent city over here. It was a great opportunity for us to serve the Sikh community and do something in seva of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
Owing to 550th Prakash Purab of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, we have created these tent cities and Darbar halls in Sultanpur Lodi. 3 state-of-the-art tent cities have been created in Sultanpur Lodi and one in Dera Baba Nanak. This tent city is probably the first thing we see near Kartarpur corridor. First tent city has been created near Gurdwara Ber Sahib, Sultanpur Lodi, area about 120 acres. Second tent city has been created at Loiya Road, Sultanpur Lodi, area about 40 acres. And third tent city has been created at Kapurthala Road, Sultanpur Lodi, area about 117 acres. These tent cities have housed 35,000 pilgrims in total. Near Gurdwara Ber Sahib, a very big state-of-the-art hall has been created. The size of the hall is 2 lakh square feet and it can accommodate around 25,000 people. With utmost reverence and ovation, the Holy Guru Granth Sahib Ji is placed in Darbar Hall for darshans during the event. Also, the modernistic and avant-garde VVIP and admin lounges have been specially created for our respected Chief Minister Punjab and other dignitaries. We have also created more than 1200 VVIP tents, which have been known as Swiss and Darbari tents. These tents have been created for a family of 2 or 4 people, with separate bathrooms and all other amenities. It is well ensured that all visitors are provided with all the basic amenities, including drinking water, washrooms, toilets, blankets, sleeping cots, and clean beddings. We have followed all safety norms, including installation of fire hydrants, fire extinguishers, use of fire retardant fabric, and spraying of fire-resistant chemical. These tent cities are also equipped with ATM services, help desk services, golf cart services, Jora Ghars and cloak rooms for safekeeping of personal items. Also, the registration process is very adept and user-friendly. It includes checking in and checking out of these tents and allotment of tent numbers.
I'm really proud of my company that we could do something so spectacular which has never been attempted and never been done. It feels truly special because the people of Punjab are really warm, and I just hope that I can continue this legacy.